Frustrated with slow downloads or lag during online matches on your Switch? No matter if you're on Wi-Fi or a wired connection, these steps will help improve speed and lower ping for a smoother experience. Let's dive right in. Open up your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down to Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. Select and open your Wi-Fi network. Now choose Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings and set this to Manual. Tap on the Primary DNS section. Now enter the DNS 1.1.1.1 and hit OK. After that, tap on the Secondary DNS section and enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Scroll down a bit again. Now tap on MTU section. Set the MTU value to 1500 and hit OK. Now save your changes and go back to Internet on your system settings. This time, tap on Test Connection. Check if the connection is slow or not. If it's slow, then go back, open Internet Settings, and go inside your Wi-Fi network settings. Tap Change Settings. This time, on the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and hit OK. Then on the secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. This is the Google DNS and a pretty useful one. Now just save your changes. After this, you will see a significant leap on your internet speed on the Switch. Alright folks, that's how you can boost your Switch internet speed and reduce ping for good. If this video helped, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.